Good morning to each and everyone. We are the Group 6 and we are here to discuss and present to you about geometric design. So the title of our presentation is Geometric Design in Data Management.
Objectives allowing students to learn and connect mapping objects and also used in various daily life applications.
And for our conceptual framework, computational geometry, it is a branch of computer science devoted to the study of algorithms, which can be stated in terms of geometry. Geometric patterns is a containing objects, shapes, pictures, or other elements that repeat themselves.
Welcome to our morning show. I'm Jenny for your today's host, and this is my co-host.
I'm Jaira and today we're having three special guests from different universities.
Oh really? We have a special guest today?
Yes, and I'm also excited for today's show. I hope we can learn new things from our special guests.
So once again, welcome to our morning show called
Math Talk! Please welcome our guest today, Jenny Babe Marcelino from Japanakan University.
And the second one is Hartuli Jade Visera from Sultan Kudarat University.
And lastly, Arjeline Enog from Caloocan Boy University. Please round of applause to our special guest. How's your day, professors? And can you say hi to the camera and greetings to your family and friends?
Konnichiwa guys! I'm a first-year instructor in mathematics and probabilities.
Annyeong everyone! I'm a first-year instructor in mathematics in linear regression.
Hi, what's up? How's your feeling everyone? I'm a first-year instructor in mathematics in geometric thinking.
Hello professors, welcome to our show. How do you learn that topic that you teach to your student?
Yes, it reflected in my own teaching practices, and also I help my students to learn my lectures. Every time I study, I still enjoy things and encourage to focus on the goal. And guys, take note, my motto in life is to believe in progress and not perfection.
Yes, I also agree with what Professor Bizarro said. I also did that kind of study and teaching.
Wow, what a wonderful motivational inspiring line.
Oh, there's someone wants to ask from the audience.
Oh my god, I can't believe I'm on the national TV right now.
So, what is your question? Anyways, Mr. What is your name?
I'm John.
Oh, so Mr. John, again, what is your question and can we choose a professor to answer that?
I want to ask Professor Marcelino, what is the real insight of your topic?
Normal distribution is a kind of variables in natural and social sciences, or normally or roughly normally distributed. And also, probability is the area of mathematics concerned in numerical, right? Descriptions of how probable an event is to occur or how likely it is that a claim is true. Well, car speeds on a highway are measured using a radar device. The speeds have a mean of 90 km per hour and a standard deviation of 10 km per hour, and they are regularly distributed. How likely it is an automobile selected at random is doing more than 100 km per hour. Now, here are the solution in my question. So x, the random variable representing the speed of autos, shall be used. X has two values, 90 and 10. We must determine the probability that x exceeds 10 or p x is greater than 100 for x equals 100, z equals 100 minus 90 or 10 divided by 1. Probability z greater than 1. Total area minus area to the left of z. 1 minus 0.8413 equals 0.1587. So it means 0.15987% of randomly chosen cars have a top speed of more than 100 km per hour.
It's very clear. Also, I easily understand your explanation and the given example. Thank you so much, Prof.
For my topic is about theory of geometric thinking. I will also lecture and explain about this. Mathematical geometry can give pupils the chance to practice reasoning and creative problem solving in an approachable way. There are five levels of thinking or comprehension in geometry according to the theory: level 0 visualization, level 1 analysis, level 2 abstraction, level 3 deduction, and level 4 rigor. Originally, Van Hills numbered from 0 to 4.
There are also one who wants to be or wants to question of your topic, Professor Enog.
Yes, sure, go ahead, feel free to ask a question.
My name is Pauline. My question for you, Professor Enog, is why there are levels 0 to 4 in the theory of geometric thinking, and why are there such a thing in your topic?
According to Van Hill theory on the development of geometric thoughts is very helpful in structuring and teaching geometry. Also, other students like you, Miss Colleen, had personal experience with difficulties which their students had in learning geometry. Therefore, they dealt with these problems in very details.
Professor Enog, can you give me the meaning of the level 0 to 4 in theory of geometric thinking?
So, in level 0, which is visualization, when a learner identifies shape and as visual wholes recognize geometric figure only based on their appearance, ignores the attributes figures or group figures that look alike. They are operating at this level. The level 1, which is analysis, is drawing and verbal skills which the children or a student like you, Miss Colleen, can analyze like level think its term in properties. Level 2, which is abstraction. The student at this level can distinguish between necessary and sufficient condition for a concept. Level 3, it's formal reduction, which is the student understand axioms to solve problem. And also student can distinguish between axioms, definitions, theorems, corollaries, and postulates. Student can work with geometric abstracts and make conclusions based on logic. And lastly, level 4, which is rigor. At this level, mathematicians understand of geometric is required. The nation that definition are arbitrary and need not truly refers to any physical realization is understood by student. Deductive geometric systems are the topic of discussions, and the learner contrasts them with axiomatic system.
Thank you for answering my question, Professor Enog.
So, any questions or clarification?
Anyways, I have a question about this. Honestly, I am curious about this, and I know that Also, the viewers are curious too. I'm gonna dig in for some answers. Professor Becerra, can you tell me about what is the main or behind of that lesson?
Correlation and linear regression are the two most frequently used methods for examining the relationship between two quantity variables. Regression expresses the relationship as an equation, whereas correlation assesses the strength of the linear link between two variables. Using only two operations, scalar multiplication and addition, to extract the unknown number from the known ones. Linear regression is simply the process of predicting an unknown quantity based on the known ones. This is the regression component, and this is the linear part. For example, the mathematical formula of the linear regression can be written as y equals beta 0 plus beta 1 times x plus e, where beta 0 and beta 1 are known as the regression beta coefficients or parameters. Beta 0 is the intercept of regression line that is predicted value when x is equals to 0.
You made it easy to explain your topic.
So now, viewers and netizens, do you understand what was explained to our professors today?
Yes.
Thank you, professors, for accepting our invitation as a guest on our show. We are genuinely thankful, right, Jen?
Yes, also we thank you to all who came here to watch to our shop today, and our production crews. Also, I thank you all. And I hope you learn a lot in these topics. And don't forget to hashtag our show, hashtag Mathinig. And for the last, I'm Jenny, your co-host today, and my co-host,
Jara at your service. Char!
Goodbye
and see you next week here in our Math Talk!